Once again, this is Inspiration Kulot. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to share with you this simple ways to be kind. Simple lang yan. Number one, smile. Smile at strangers, smile at neighbors. Bakit kailangan nating mag-smile? Kasi isa yan, makita yung sa mga tao na you are a kind person because you always smile. Smile. Though your heart is aching, is that smile. Kasi yung taong hindi bitaw marunong makipagkapwa, they are not kind. Hindi sila marunong mag-smile, diba? At number two, ah, express gratitude. Say thank you sa lahat na nag may nagbigay ng pabor sa inyo ba. Say thank you and be grateful. Thank you sa lahat ng mga compliments. Say thank you and give compliments. Give compliments. And number three, hold the door open for someone. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng door na to? Hindi yung door na pintuan ha. Yung door, yung heart. Meaning yung heart. Hindi yan literal na door na pintuan. The door means your heart. Your heart. You must open your heart to everyone. Kasi kung hindi ka open, hindi ka maging kind, di ba? Kasi nakasirado yung puso mo. Because when you open your heart, doon din sila mag-trust sa inyo because you are a kind person, because you open your heart, then open door for someone. And number four, listen when a friend is sad. Meaning, hindi lang sa friend mo lang yan. Listen to their hearts. Listen when they are sad. Kasi bihira na ngayon makita yung true friend ba, yung yung trust na yan, hindi yan ipag hindi lahat ng tao ngayon pagkakataon, lalo na yung tinawag mo na friend na yan, hindi pala totoong friend, di ba? Di ba? Naka-experience ng ganon. Listen when a friend is sad. Listen. Do not reject, do not ignore when someone calls you, kasi nagkailangan sila mag makapag ma ano ba yan? Listen. And to summarize this, simple ways to be kind. Smile, say thank you, and give compliments. Hold the door open someone, and listen when a friend is sad. And thank you for sharing. Thank you. As I said, life is short. Life is short. Do not waste it. Thank you. God bless.